Hello?
Hi, babe.
Hi.
You cannot cook a turkey in a microwave.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Well, because I went to Stop and Shop and the guy at the supermarket said that I can if I have a Samsung microwave, which we do.
The guy told her in Stop and Shop that she can if she has a Samsung microwave.
And then he says if I slice it, it'll help cook faster.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I have no clue. I can't help you on that.
Well,
I've never, ever heard of putting a turkey in a microwave. Did you Google it?
well, some say yes, some say no. They said just
I swear to God, I don't know. What time do you have this? What time do you have this party? I'm dying. Why would you volunteer a fucking turkey? She's laughing hysterically.
Well, I have it in the microwave now for 3 hours.
Oh my God, she's got it in the microwave for 3 hours right now. And what does it look like?
Nothing. It just looks like it's cooking.
It looks like it's cooking.
And then I was thinking halfway through to add some water so it boils.
She wants to add water so it boils. I can't, babe. Listen, as pretty as you are, Dad said fucking forget about it. Now. Oh my God, I can't. I just can't. All right. It's been cooking for 3 hours now. What time are you going to bed?
When it's done.
No. I said, when are you going to bed? She goes, when it's done. Dad said it's going on Thanksgiving.
Or not.
What's up, she said?
Angles or not.
We're not. Oh, she needs it for tomorrow night. Is it called ShopRite? You can't microwave a turkey.
Well, it's microwaving right now, and it
She
seems
goes,
fine.
it's microwaving right now. But it's in there 3 fucking hours. Is it browning?
Well, no, it's only been in there for a half hour, so it has...
Only a half hour?
Yeah, so it has 2.5 hours left.
All right, listen to me. You have an oven, right?
Yes,
Do you have a timer on your oven?
I do.
Okay. What? Oh, he goes, did you take the plastic out of the ass?
I did.
She did. I hope you took the guts out of the chicken.
I
mean,
didn't. I didn't know it had guts.
Oh, yeah, it has everything inside of the hole, the cavity.
Oh.
Did you clean the neck part out?
No, I just put it in.
What do you mean?
I didn't know I had to clean it.
She didn't know she had to clean the turkey. What is in the cavity of the turkey? The heart's in there, the liver's in there.
Oh, I guess everything's microwaving right now.
Oh God, Sis! Oh my God, Sis! You gotta take all that shit out of the cavity. It's the heart in there. It's the oh my God, I'm gonna puke. It's the liver. It's all that stuff in there. Go, take it out of the microwave and get the shit out of the cavity and out of the neck. And throw it in the garbage. Okay? And if you're gonna be up, it's 10 o'clock right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's gotta cook for at least 3 hours in the oven. Oh my God, I can't breathe. Shit.
Do you want to know something, though?
What?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, you joking with me? Oh, she's joking with me. Take that. my god. Oh,
That was awesome.
Don't worry, I got this all on video for fucking Thanksgiving.
oh my god, I was dying. Are you kidding me? Oh. I was gonna say, you're gonna be poisoning everybody's fucking body. What?
I just wanted to know what you would say.
Oh, you just want to know what I would say. Yeah, I would have been like, oh my god, I can't. Oh my god. Alright, I'm glad you're not doing that. Okay. Oh god.
Yeah,
Take it. Oh.
everything's under control.
What, you bought a turkey?
No!
Oh. Oh god.
Wait a minute, Len, it's Lucy.
Because you gotta take all that shit out from the inside, the gut, and it's so nasty.
Wow, Lucy's trying to talk to you.
Lucy, you hear me, Lo?
I heard the whole thing. I have a
Oh
question
my
for
God,
you,
Lo.
though. You told me yesterday they didn't even want to make stuffing. Do you think either one of them would have went and bought a turkey?
I know. When I brought this stuffing to Dante yesterday morning, I said, what's the matter? You and your wife can't boil fucking water and butter?
I'm not a good cook.
Yes, you are. You cook what you